Hi, it's Chrissy, your sweetheart of the seas, and I'm on the Explorer of the Seas in room 1608. This is an owner's suite, and I'm going to give you a little tour. All right, so this is room 1608, the St. Lucia suite. I think it's important to point out that it is on the 10th floor because we are so used to seeing 1608 and thinking we're on the 16th floor, and we were not. All right, here's the room. Big couch turns into a bed. Your living room area, I will say once you pull that bed out, the living room area is a little bit tight. We had this counter space, which was great. Honestly, we really only used it to put like leftover room service, coffee cups, things like that. But it has your Lavazza coffee maker. It has your water. It had tons of drawers and shelves. So we did use this area. You have a small table and chairs. And again, there's your big couch. It's big. And your TV that flips. That TV is either going to go to the living room or the bedroom. Bathroom was huge. Nice shower. You know, great jacuzzi tub. The kids loved that. Double sinks, bidet, and toilet. It's outdated, but it's clean and it's fun. There's the TV again that flips into your master bedroom. Now, it's not a true master bedroom as you only have a curtain. But again, for us with the kids, it's any privacy. So we will take it. You had tons of closet space. You had your safe. There was a bonus closet by the windows, a nice little chair, and then your vanity area. Behind that blue curtain is just another little window that's going to go out to your vanity. So it's a nice size owner suite. I would say if you have a family of 4, it's not as big as maybe you would expect on other ships, but it definitely got our job done. And then just a basic balcony, certainly not huge, but very nice. If you like this tour, please subscribe to my page. I'm here for all your travel news, experiences, tours, and reviews.